Welcome. Hi, everybody. This is Mrs. Dunn, and what I wanted to do today was talk to you about the properties of sets. What we're going to be talking about are Venn diagrams and some applications. So in this screencast, we're going to look at a Venn diagram, and we're going to talk about some set operations. We're going to talk about union, intersection, and the complement. And we're also going to do some applications that using the Venn diagram and using a different method. So on this slide, what I want you to think about is I want you to think about what you like on your pizza. So if you were going to order a pizza, what toppings would you want on it? And let's limit ourselves to either pepperoni, sausage, or mushrooms on your pizza. So who would you be? What would you want on your pizza? Think about what circle you would be in and then what part of the circle. So that's what Venn diagrams are all about. So let me describe and explain what's in here. So first you have the rectangle, and that represents the universal set. So for our purposes, we're saying that universal set is the set of all students in Mrs. Dunn's math class. And P are the students that like pepperoni pizza in this circle. S are the students that like sausage on their pizza. And M are the students that like, in M would be the students that like mushrooms on their pizza. So where would you be? I would tell you I would be in this circle right here. And I would be in this part of this circle because the only thing I like on my pizza is mushrooms. I don't like pepperoni and I don't like sausage, so I would be here. So let's say we have these students, we have these 8 students in Mrs. Dunn's class. So looking at this Venn diagram, who likes pepperoni on their pizza? Take a minute to think about it. What would be your answer? It should be Mike, Sally, Lou, and Al. All of these people like pepperoni on their pizza. While Mike might be the only person that likes, or he likes only pepperoni on his pizza, Mike, Sally, Lou, and Al all like pepperoni on their pizza. Okay, try another one. Who likes pepperoni and mushrooms on their pizza? Did you think that it was Lou and Al? Hopefully you did, because Lou and Al are those students that like pepperoni and mushrooms on their pizza. We don't put Mike in that group because he doesn't like mushroom on his pizza. Same with Sally. We don't put Pam in that group because Pam only likes mushrooms. So the answer is Lou and Al. All right, one more. Who likes pepperoni or mushrooms on their pizza? Well, that answer should be Mike, Sally, Lou, Al, Stephen, and Pam. All of them like pepperoni or mushrooms on their pizza. So let's go through those one at a time. The first one was pepperoni and mushrooms that we talked about. So that's an example of intersection, P and M. So the word is intersection. The English word we use, like if we're talking about it in a problem, would be the word and. And the symbol is this upside down U. And P and M represents those elements that are overlapping in P and M. So those students that like both pepperoni and mushrooms on their pizza. The next one was union. Union is a joining together. So we're taking all of P and all of M and joining those together. So the word is union. The symbol is the right side up U. And the English word we use is or. Pepperoni or mushrooms. So pepperoni or mushrooms was Mike, Sally, Lou, Al, Stephen, and Pam. Now let's talk about a new term, this idea of complement. The notation for complement is this P with a slash. P complement. Those are those elements that are not in P. So P is Mike, Sally, Lou, and Al, all the students that like pepperoni on their pizza. And so P naught or not P would be all those students that don't like pepperoni on their pizza. And that would be Rachel, Stephen, Pam, and don't forget Jake. Okay, so now we have this idea of union, intersection, and complement. Now let's look at some examples and some applications. So here we have a Venn diagram, and this is another thought. Instead of having the individual elements, I'm just telling you how many elements are in that part of the Venn diagram. So there are 17 in circle A that are only in A. 52 are in the overlap of A and B, and 9 are just in B, and 22 are not in A or B. So this notation, this N in front of A in parentheses, the way you would say that is how many are in A, the number in A, the number in A complement, the number in A union B, and the number in A intersection B. I'm going to show you the answers on the next page, on the next slide. So the number in A are all of those in this section and this section. So 17 plus 52, that's this whole circle A, that's 69. The number in A complement is everyone else or every other number. So that's going to be 9 plus 22. So that's 31. The number in A union B is all of those elements that are in this circle and in the B circle. So 17 plus 52 plus 9, which is 78. And the number in A intersection B are those numbers that are overlapping in the overlap of A and B, which is 52. Okay, let me show you another example. Now, this isn't a Venn diagram. You certainly could make a Venn diagram to represent this information, but this is information in a chart. So it says, let the universal set U be the set of all 120 students in the class. A is the set of students from the College of Arts and Sciences. B is the set of students from the College of Business. F is the set of freshmen, and S is the set of sophomores. So the question is asked, find F complement. I'm sorry, the number in F complement. So how many students are not freshmen? So what we have to do is take everyone that is not a freshman. So the freshmen are 19 plus 66. So not freshmen is going to be the sophomores, 14 plus 21. The number in F union B, that's written on the last slide, by the way. I'll show you this on the next slide. So F union B is freshman or in business. And A intersection F is arts and sciences and freshmen. So remember, this is the number that are not freshmen, the number that are freshmen or in business, and the number that are in arts and sciences and freshmen. Okay, let's look at those answers on the next page. So the number of not freshmen is 35. Remember, that's that 14 plus 21. The number that are freshmen or in business is the 19 plus 66 plus 21. So freshmen or in business, 19 plus 66 plus 21, which is 106. And the number in arts and sciences and freshmen is this number 19. Okay, that's it. Good luck.